Have you ever felt na kahit mahal mo pa siya, alam mong kailangan mong bitawan na? Today, let's talk about the real reasons why people decide to break up with their partner.
Reason number 1, lack of communication. Ito yung tipong parang nakikipag-usap ka lang sa hangin tapos siya busy lang lagi sa phone niya. Reason number 2, emotional or verbal abuse. Minsan, hindi lang physical ang masakit. Most of the time, mas masakit pa yung salita na binibitawan niya. So may kasabihan nga tayo, words can slice deeper than sword. Reason number 3, trust issues. Pag paulit-ulit na ang pagsisinungaling sa'yo, most of the time, mahirap nang paniwalaan yung mga sinasabi niya. Reason number 4, different life goals. You want to build a future with him, pero siya parang walang kaplano-plano sa buhay. Or iba ang gusto niya sa buhay. Reason number 5, infidelity. Being faithful is not only about being physically loyal. It is also about being emotionally committed to you. Kapag hindi ka na niya priority at meron na siyang iba, it is better for you to walk away kasi you deserve more that will choose you every single day. Remember, breaking up with him or her doesn't mean you failed. Sometimes, you love yourself enough to let go.
So if you're going through this now, know that you're not alone, ha? Take time to heal, focus on yourself, and trust the process. Now I want to hear from you, Shing. What other reasons do you think are valid for breaking up? I-comment mo na yan, and don't forget to like and share this video. Follow for more tips like this.